Once you've created your spreadsheet and entered some data, you may want to organize the data a certain way, or you may want to view just a portion of your list data for easier viewing. It can be alphabetically, numerically, or otherwise. Data sorting allows you to sort the data list sequence in order, ascending or descending, through any of the existing columns. For instance, we can sort the numbers of a check, date, alphabetically by description, or using any of the other columns. To that extent, first select all the representative cells for the future sorted data, including the header descriptions, check no, date, description, etc. When a new window opens, select the column you want to sort, and then how will it be sorted. The filter feature allows you to temporarily turn on display filters for the data. We will use the filter feature to view only the records of the customer called hotel. In order to do this, first click on any of the cells, which have data, of the table you want to filter, and to activate the filters, click on Sort and Filter. To correctly follow the first step, in the table header, note that a button with a small arrow will appear in each column, as shown in the image below. When you click on these little buttons, a menu with filtering options for the column appears. Seeing as we just want to view the records of the client called hotel, we must click on the arrow next to the column client, marking only the box hotel, as shown in the image below, and click OK. As a result, Excel will only display the rows that have the hotel, hiding the others. To clear the filter and display the entire table again, click on the small filter thumbnail and then click Clear Client Filter. The table will be completely reset. It is still possible to have specific and advanced filters, depending on the type of data within the column, such as, for the column date there are date filters, for the money column there are number filters, and for the customer column there are text filters. It is even possible to use more than one filter at a time. For instance, display only sales commissions from the client called Brown Chocolate. In order to do this, click on the arrow next to description and select just commissions on sales, and then click on the arrow next to customer, and select Brown Chocolate.